Where are the lungs located? Inferior to trachea, mediastinum of thoracic cavity, anterior to the esophagus, abdominal region. Answer: mediastinum of thoracic cavity. Serous membrane, mucous membrane, cuboidal epithelium, simple epithelium. Answer: serous membrane. Why is the right lung is divided into 3 lobes while the left lung has 2 lobes? It contains more space than left lung because right side is always better. Right side contains cardiac notch, all of the above. Answer: it contains more space than left lung. The respiratory bronchi subdivided from which of the following structure? Primary bronchi, lobar bronchi, segmental bronchi, none of the above. 5. Answer B. Lobar bronchi. Which of the following is entirely made of cartilage? Nasal septum, larynx, glottis, trachea. Answer: larynx. Trachea divided into 2 right and left primary bronchi at the level of 7th cervical vertebra, 3rd thoracic vertebra, 5th thoracic vertebra, 7th thoracic vertebra. 7. Answer C. 5th thoracic vertebra. Volume of air that will remain in the lungs after a normal expiration is about 1200 ml, 2200 ml, 4600 ml, 5800 ml. Answer: 2200 ml. The partial pressure of oxygen is equal in atmospheric air and alveoli, alveoli and oxygenated blood, alveoli and deoxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood and tissues. Answer: deoxygenated blood and tissues. The solubility is carbon dioxide is about dash times higher than that of oxygen across the respiratory membrane. 22 25, 22 25 to 50, 125 to 150, 200 to 250. Answer: 20 to 25.